There are over 59,000 WordPress plugins on the WordPress.org website alone. And this does not include third-party plugins on marketplaces like CodeCanyon, ThemeForest, and the rest of them. Now, with such staggering volume of WordPress plugins available on the marketplace, it could be a Herculean task knowing which one to choose, especially if you're a beginner. You may not be able to tell which one is essential, which one is useful, or which one is just a mere junk. So, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 14 best free WordPress plugins that you need to be using on your WordPress website, especially as a beginner. Now, most of these plugins I've been using on my website and that of my clients. And you know the beautiful thing, these plugins are free. You can just go straight to the WordPress.org website and just download them for free and install them on your WordPress website. Now, you may be wondering, what is a plugin? And if you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Chike Onyekachukwu. On this channel, I share videos around WordPress, website design, content creation, and content marketing. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. A plugin is an application that you download and install on your WordPress website to enhance its performance and give it an extra functionality. Now, the type of plugin you use for your WordPress website would depend on the type of website you have and what you want to use that website for. If you have a business website or an e-commerce website, or maybe just a blog, you may be needing different types of plugins. So, you can check out the plugins that I share in this video and look at the functionalities so you can know which ones that you need for your website. I'm going to be leaving the links to those plugins in the description under this video. And if you find this video useful, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, go ahead and like this video, okay? So without further ado, let's jump onto my laptop screen right now as I walk you through the 14 best free WordPress plugins that you need to be using on your website right now. So let's go.
So first on the list is the WP Forms. The WP Forms is a drag and drop WordPress form builder which you can use to build different types of forms. You can use it to create forms like contact forms, payment forms, survey forms, newsletter forms, registration forms, different types of forms that every website requires. Because as a website, from time to time, you may need to collect details from your website visitors, either to collect details of their contact or to collect payment from them or to have them subscribe for your newsletter or something. So from time to time you need these contact forms, okay? You need forms. And WP Form is one of the best I have found, all right? And it has amazing features. It's a drag and drop form builder. In other words, you can just create forms with it without writing any code. And it's highly mobile friendly because most of the people that will be visiting your website will be visiting from their mobile phones. So it's quite mobile friendly. And you can get instant notifications when you use it. When somebody subscribes to your newsletter or fills your contact form, you get instant notification. And collecting payment is easy. You can easily embed it on your website. And it has templates, over 400 templates that you can actually use and just edit it for your form. It has a smart conditional logic. And then you can also manage your entry, right? You can view your leads from one place. You can do marketing and subscription with the form, and then it also has spam protection. And another thing, this form has been downloaded 5 million times, so it has 5 million active installations already. All right, so it's a good one. So next on the list is Monsterinsights. Now this is a very, very important WordPress plugin that you need for your website. Monsterinsights actually makes it possible for you to connect your website to the Google Analytics. Now with Google Analytics, you can be able to know what is happening in your website. and it can help you make data-driven decisions. With this plugin, you'll be able to know the number of people that are coming into your website on a daily basis, weekly basis, monthly basis, yearly basis. You can know where they are coming from, the source of your traffic, and you can also monitor your sales, how long people spend on your website, which pages that they visit, how long they spend on each page, and a whole lot of information that this can give you. So it's an amazing plugin that you have here, and it's been downloaded over 3 million times. So it has 3+ million installations, active installation. You can see here you have real-time analytics with it. All right, so you know what is happening in your website every point in time to help you make informed decisions on what to do. You have e-commerce reports. You have it's GDPR friendly, and then you also have user behavior report. It tells you how your website visitors are actually behaving on your website, and then it can also give you SEO rankings. You can know how you rank on Google search engine results. All right. And then you have over 100 data points there. So it's an amazing plugin that you need to have on your website if you're using it for business. So, and it has several other features here: enhanced e-commerce tracking. You have access to the Google Analytics dashboard. It has its own dashboard on your back end at the WordPress dashboard. You can find some insights there, some data there. All right, so you also have page level analytics. You have a custom dimension. You have performance and optimization as well, and then affiliate links and ads tracking. You can use it to track your affiliate links and ads, real-time statistics, a whole lot of things that you can actually use this plugin to do. You can see this is the dashboard on your WordPress dashboard. You can see the information that it gives you there. So it's a good one to have on your website, so you should take a look at it. So next on the list is AI SEO, which stands for all-in-one SEO. Now this is a very important plugin you need to have for your website, especially if you're using it for business. SEO is an important marketing strategy that every business person needs to be doing. All right, so this plugin is going to actually help you for SEO. SEO simply stands for search engine optimization. All right, those are the set of things that you do that helps your website to be able to rank on Google search engine and be discovered everywhere, so that you can actually convert, sell your products and services, or whatever it is you want to do with the website. All right, so as you can see here, it has amazing features like local SEO, WooCommerce SEO, SEO optimizer, advanced SEO models, smart site maps, rich snipers, a whole lot of features that this plugin adds to your website. You can see here you can use it for on-page analysis, and this is very, very critical, especially if you have a blog site. All right, you have blog posts on that blog site. It will help you with a lot of on-page analysis. It will help you with your linkings. All right, your backlinkings. It will help you with your key phrase or keyword research. It will also help you with your metadata description. In fact, it tells you everything you need to do, all right, as far as SEO is concerned, to help your posts rank or your site to rank. All right, it also has smart XML site maps. All right, this actually enables the crawlers to be able to crawl your website. Link assistant, redirection manager, rich sniper schema, video SEO site maps. You also have Google News site maps, local SEO, and also social media integration, SEO audit checklist, robot text editor, and a whole lot of things. And here you can see that it has been downloaded over 3 million times. So it has 3 million active installation. That means it's a good one. All right. Next on the list is Updraft Plus. Now, this is a plugin that you can actually use to back up your website. Now, you need to know that if you have a website, backing up your website is something that you cannot overlook. It's a very, very important thing to do to back up your website, because just like any other content management system, WordPress can be susceptible to several threats like theme updates, server downtimes, web host threats, shoddy plugins, a whole lot of things. And apart from that, your website can even crash anytime. You cannot really predict. So it is important that you have your website backed up to save you the time, energy, and even reputation. Alright, because when your website crashes and your customers can no longer find you online, it begins to raise questions. So you need to have it backed up, and Updraft Plus is a very good plugin to use, and it has a free version. Alright, you can easily back it up with just a single click. Alright, you don't need to do any much thing there. You can actually schedule the backup times. Alright, and then you can restore your backed up website anytime you want. And then it also has a premium version if you want extra features like cloning and migration, incremental backups, fast personal support, pre-update backups, backup non-WordPress files and databases, backup time and scheduling, more database options, reporting, importer, log setting, and then a whole lot of things. Alright, so you can see here, you can download the free version from the website. Now you can back up your website to storage facilities like Dropbox, Google Drive, Amazon Rackspace, and if you have the premium version, you can actually use OneDrive, SMTP, Microsoft Azure, and WebDave. So it's a very good one you need to look at, because backing up your website, guys, is a very, very important thing. You don't want to have your website crashing and then you don't have it backed up. So it's one you need to look at. So next on the list is Optinmonster. Now this is a plugin that is used to build pop-ups for your website, and you can also use it for your marketing campaigns. You can use it to convert and monetize your website traffic. This is a very, very important plugin to use, especially as it helps you to turn abandoned visitors into subscribers and customers. Sometimes people visit your website and then they may just want to check out, leave your website without taking any action. This plugin will actually compel them to take action, either to purchase something or to subscribe to your newsletter. Just do something. That's why it's called an Optinmonster. It helps people to opt in and to take action on your website. Alright, you can use it to build light box pop-ups, floating bars, scroll boxes, gamified wheels, page level targeting, exit intent detection. So it detects when people want to leave your website without taking any action, and then it compels them to do something. Geolocation targeting, and then you have over 100 templates. Alright, so it's a very good one. So you can see it has been actively downloaded by over 1 million websites here, including Patreon, McAfee, Harvard University, ClickBank, Pinterest, WP Beginner, American Express. All these companies are using this plugin. So how does it work? You create a visually stunning offer. You target and personalize your offers with behavior automation, and then you test and adjust in real time. So it's a very good one you need to look into. You can use it to build beautiful lead capture forms. You can do A/B testing, page level targeting. You can even do analytics and insights. Alright, just like I said, you have exit intent technology. It detects when somebody is leaving your website. Advanced traffic redirection, on-site retargeting and personalization, multiple form types. So a whole lot of things that you can do with this plugin. So you need to look into it, and you can see wonderful testimonials here from people who are already using it. Okay, so you need to look into it. Next on the list is Seedprod. Now this is a very, very important website builder that you can actually use to build your website. Alright, so it has a custom theme builder. You can use it to build themes actually. Apart from building your web pages, you can use it to build themes, unlike other website builders that you need a theme. all right? But this plugin actually comes with its own theme builder, so you don't have your theme conflicting with your web page builder with Seedprod. All right, you can also use it to build landing page, sales funnels, and then it has the pages or the sites that you use this plugin to build actually have lightweight and they are fast. All right, we have dynamic personalization, and then they have over 200 templates, as you can see. So it's a very good one you need to check out when you are building your website or your web page. Okay, it has a WordPress builder plugin that is fast and easy. It has amazing features here like a drag and drop page builder, so you don't need any coding. You just drag the elements and drop it wherever you want. It has pre-built themes, so if you don't want to build a theme, you want to use the pre-built theme, it has a number of them. And then if you're using the premium version, because it also has a premium version, you have premium integrations there. And then you can also use it for subscriber management, all right, for your newsletter. It has pro blocks, 80 plus pro blocks, landing page templates, built-in coming soon maintenance and 401 pages. So this is very unique. All right, maybe you're building your website or a web page and you don't want people to have access to it yet, and you don't just want to close down or shut down your website. You can actually use a coming soon or maintenance page for that particular page or even the website. So Seedprod can actually help you do that, and it's also SEO optimized. All right. And then it has is responsive and mobile friendly, and then you have WordPress theme builders. Like I've said, you can create and build your theme or even theme parts like headers, footers, pages, posts, archive sidebars. You can use this to do all that. And then it also has spam protection as well. So this is a very good one that you can actually use. You can see here top reasons why over 1 million users love Seedprod. So it has over 1 million active installations already. All right, and it is trusted by a lot of organizations already who are using it. So it's something you can check out. Next is Elementor. Now Elementor is the most popular WordPress website builder that you have on the market. Right, it has millions of installations, over 10 million installations, and it's popularly well known. All right, so it's actually a drag and drop page builder that helps you to build your page or your site in real time. So you can be dragging and dropping the elements, and you are seeing in real time what is actually going on, how your web page is turning out. So it has a live drag and drop editor. It has over 100 widgets, and you can use it to create pixel perfect designs. Okay, so you can use it for business and service, portfolio, CD, creative, e-commerce, events and entertainment. You can use it for landing pages, media and blogs, all right, health and wellness. So different stuff. You can use it for advanced web creation, professional workflow, enhancing WordPress. So it has a lot of features, all right, and it makes your page building very seamless. You don't need any code at all. You can see here over 10 million active installations. It has 140k members in their global community, and then over 400 meetups, 330 tutorials. So they have good, a very sizable knowledge base. Webinars, courses that you can actually look through to help you in building your website. So it's a good one, and go ahead and check it out. Next on the list is WPCode. Now this is another important plugin that you need to have, because definitely you will need to add codes to your website for different things such as Google Analytics and the Facebook pixel for tracking and the rest of them. All right, so if you're going to be adding codes to your website, you actually need this plugin to be able to do that. because if you just go ahead and add the code to your website, sometimes you may find that you need to change your website theme. All right, and if you change your theme, it means that you're going to have to come back and add those code snippets again. But with this WPCode, you just add it once to your website. As long as you have this plugin on your website, you don't need to be adding code snippets all the time. All right, you just add it once and that's it. And you don't need to have knowledge of coding to be able to use this plugin. All right, so if you're a beginner, you may find it difficult going to the source code of your website to go and be adding codes, all right, or to change anything there. But this makes it easy. You just go to your back end and just put in the codes and that's it. All right, so you can use it to add headers and footer script. You can use it for to add conversion pixels, like I've mentioned, Facebook, the rest of them, PHP snippets, conditional logic, error handling, snippet library. So it's a very good one you need to use, because definitely if you're using your website for business, you must have to add codes to your WordPress at one point or the other for different things you want to do, either for tracking or for analytics or whatever. All right, so you need this WPCode plugin. As you can see here, it has over 1 million active installations already, so it's very popular and it's a very good one. You need to check it out. So next is easy digital downloads. So this is a plugin that is actually used for selling. You're into e-commerce, but you sell digital products. Maybe you're a coach, you have online courses, maybe ebooks, PDFs, and different digital products, maybe plugins, or you're a photographer, you want to sell your photographs, or maybe even NFT products. You can actually use this plugin to sell it. Anything digital products, you're selling digital products online, you need to have this plug-in. All right, so from ebooks to WordPress plugins to PDF files and more, you can actually use this, and you can see it's trusted by a lot of big names like WP Forms, Monsterinsights, Spybots, and the rest of them. So it has excellent features like payment flexibility. You can actually use it to collect payments, all right, for your digital products. Full cart shopping, customer account page, you have it there. And also you can set discount codes. Maybe you want to offer discounts, all right, for your sales, you can actually do that. And then unlimited file downloads. You can people can just download after making purchase. You can download as many files as they want, as many times as they want. Download activity tracking, so you can actually track who is downloading what, when, even the IP address from where the download is taking place. And you also have full data reporting, all right, a complete detailed bookkeeping of the purchases from your website. And you can integrate it with different services like MailChimp, Dropbox, Stripe, PayPal, Slack, Zapier, ConvertKit, several of them. I think this is a very good one. So you can see here it has over 3 million downloads, and then it has 104 extensions, and then 190 plus project contributors. So it's a very good one if you're selling digital products, anything digital products online. I recommend Easy Digital Downloads plugin. Okay, next is W3 Total Cache. Now this is a very important plugin that actually helps you to increase your website loading speed. There are several factors that can make your website load very slowly, and one of them is maybe poor website design. All right, so depending on the way your website is designed and how it is structured, you may find that your website is loading very slowly, and visitors usually don't have patience with slow website. Once your website is slow, they will just leave and go to other website. And apart from that, Google actually penalizes you if you have a slow loading website. You will not be able to rank. All right, so you need something that can help you speed up the loading time of your website, even if it's just by 100 milliseconds. All right, so that's what this W3 total cache will do for you. Helps your site load faster. All right, there are just 4 steps. You download and install. All right, you use the Google Page Speed Insight on both your site and your competitor's site. So it will actually give you insights about your loading speed and also give you insight about your competitor's website loading speed. All right, so that you can make important decisions and changes. Use the tools within the W3 total cache to improve your site speed. So it has a lot of tools that you can actually use to improve speed. Then number 4, use the page speed insight again to see your improvements. Keep optimizing your site until your site is faster. So it has insights that you can actually use to optimize your site. And you can see here, you can actually get it for free. All right, speed up my site for free. But if you want it to be even faster, you can have access to more features, all right, by going for the pro version. Okay, so it can actually help you make your site 10 times faster. All right, easy setup with hosting, includes mobile support. So they have a whole lot of good features right here, such as caching features. Caching is a feature that actually helps your website to be able to load faster. When somebody has visited your website before, all right, and the person is coming back again, it doesn't have to load from scratch. It actually records and stores your site pages so that it can come up whenever the person is returning. So that's what caching does for you, and it helps your website load faster. It has minification features for your page, your pages, your posts, and your feeds. And then it also has this WP image conversion. So your images can automatically convert to WP image. All right, this is a very, very good feature. All right, because WP images are smaller and lighter than JPG or your normal PNG. So this helps to convert your images to the WEBP version, which is faster to load. And then it has several other features here, like compatible with shared hosting, transparent content delivery network, and the rest of them. So it's a good one that you need to check out to make your site load faster and be able to rank more on Google search engine. Next is WP Mail SMTP. Now, if you're using emails or sending emails from your website, you actually need this plugin. You will discover that sometimes your emails are not being delivered, or even if they are delivered at all, they end up in the spam folder. And this is a very common problem with WordPress websites. Now, one of the reasons is that WordPress actually uses the PHP function for sending emails, right? And that PHP function is not properly recognized by most of the mail providers, right? And then secondly, most of the hosting providers actually do not have their servers set up for mails from WordPress. All right, so the combination of these two reasons make email deliverability a problem for WordPress websites. So that's where the WP Mail SMTP comes in. SMTP actually stands for Simple Mail Transmission or Transfer Protocol. All right, it uses authentication to enhance your email deliverability from your WordPress website. So that's why you need to have this. If you have contact forms or subscription forms, all right, on your website, you are going to definitely need this, all right, to enable your mails deliver properly. Okay, so it has quite a good number of features: white glove setup, email reports, weekly email summaries, and then it also has integrations with email services like SendLayer, Sendinblue, Google Workspace, Gmail, Microsoft 365 Outlook, SendGrid, Zoho Mail. All right. So it also has email log, open and click tracking, manage notification, smtp.com, and a whole lot of other features that enhances email deliverability. Right, so if you're sending emails or you need to use emails on your website, this is the plugin you need to have to actually help enhance the deliverability of your mail, to make sure that your mails actually end up in the inbox. All right, and it has over 2 million active installations already, so which means it's popular and it's a good one. You need to look into it. Next is PushEngage notification plugin. Now, this is a very important plugin that helps you send push notification to your subscribers. It helps to notify your subscribers or your website visitors about different things, ranging from new blog posts. Every time you post a blog, it's going to notify them that, hey, a blog has been posted, go and read it, so that they can actually take action. Product announcement: when you release a new product, is going to actually inform your subscribers and your visitors that, yeah, there's a new product. Cart abandonment: it helps to actually inform you when somebody has abandoned his cart, so that you can follow up and actually get the person to make the purchase. Triggered notification, website monetization, and personalized messages. So it's a very good one that you need to have. It has over 10,000 installations already. You can see it is trusted by companies like Harvard Business Review, Domino's, Glamour, even WP Beginners. So it's a very good one. So it has certain features that are also very useful: triggered notifications, dynamic segmentation. You can actually segment your subscribers, all right, and then send them customized notifications. Automatic drip campaigns. You can do A/B testing with it. You can personalize your push notifications. Custom domain branding. All right, offline notification. You can actually send notifications to your subscribers or your visitors even when they are offline. When they come online, they can see it. So it's a very good one that you can actually try out. Next is the Sucuri security plugin. Now, this is a very important plugin that comes with a set of tools that can help you protect your WordPress website against external security threats. All right, it's a complete powerful suite that protects your website. It helps to block malwares. It can help to prevent identity theft. It can also help to prevent your site from being used as a staging site for hacked websites. So it's a very good one you need to have installed. All right, it has nice features. It can help you fix any issue, all right, remove malware very quickly from your site. It can help you to even scan your site to identify malwares and any security vulnerabilities and then fix them. Can help to protect your site. They have a powerful cloud-based firewall that helps to stop hacks and attacks. It can also help you to boost your site performance, all right? Automatically improve your site speed by over 70% with their inbuilt CDN. So it's a very good one that you need to check out. And then they have a bouquet of knowledge base. All right, they have a good knowledge base, security guides, email course, Sucuri blog. So it's a good one you need to check out. They also have a premium version. All right, the premium version comes with extra features as well. All right, this plugin has been downloaded and installed by over 800,000 users. So it's quite popular and it's a good one. You can see some of the features here: faster website performance, and it's easy to set up. All right, guaranteed malware remover. It helps to remove your malwares, robust tools, dedicated support, and WAF protection. So it's a good one, and you can check it out for your website security. So last but not the least is Sharedcounts. So this is a plugin that actually helps to increase engagement and drive traffic to your website and your web pages, your blog posts, by actually enabling your readers to be able to share your posts to their social media friends on social media. All right, it has share button for Facebook, for Twitter, for Pinterest, for LinkedIn, and even for email, as well as printing. Okay, so it's a very good one to have on your website to increase traffic and engagement. It's developer friendly. It has multiple style options. You can actually change the styles, and you can even determine automatically where you want your share buttons to be, either before your post or after your post, or even on both before and after your posts. All right, it has it's built for speed, it's never bloated, native Genesis support, GDPR compliance, and several other features. So it's a very good one to have, especially if you are a blogger. All right, you have a blog website, you need to be able to share your blog posts and also give your readers that feature as well, to be able to share your blog posts to their friends. It drives traffic and increases engagement for your website. So it's one that you need to take a look at. All right,
so that's it, guys. Those are the 14 best free WordPress plugins that I've been using for my website and that of my clients, and they've been very useful. So you can look through them and see which one is applicable and relevant to your website, so you can install them and use them to turbocharge your website. So if you found value in this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, like the video, and then jump on the comment section and comment best free WordPress plugin. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. So till I see you in my next video, peace.